Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable error reporting in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Here type Services. So type here Services and open it. Now guys, in this list you have to find out Windows error reporting service, this one. So right click on it and click on Properties. Now startup type, select manual disabled. So startup type, select disabled, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So like this guys, you can disable and turn off error reporting in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.